One of the biggest things I get a lot of questions about is the advertiser's mindset. What is the mindset that you need to have as an advertiser, whether it's with YouTube ads, which we love to talk about, or Facebook ads, or any other type of advertising, but especially YouTube ads? What's the mindset that you need to have in order to be able to scale, optimize, get the best results, the best return on ad spend? Because there is a certain mindset that I've found. It's called the advertiser's mindset, also known as the always win mindset, that allows you to make critical changes to your ads, always be on top of your advertising game in order to get the best returns possible in your YouTube ads or in any type of advertising that you use. It's something I'm very passionate about. I'm excited to go over. We actually did this and went over this in a recent video in our YouTube Ads for Entrepreneurs Facebook group, which you can of course join down using the link down there below. But now we're gonna roll the clip and show you exactly how I recommend thinking about your ads with the advertiser's mindset. What's the best mindset to have while scaling our YouTube ads, trying to scale the ads to over $500 a day? So that's a great question. So when you're actually running your campaigns, the biggest question that you wanna be asking yourself is, okay, have I optimized this campaign to the point that I am excited about those results? And then now I wanna scale those campaigns. So it's really important to have what I call the advertiser's mindset. So you're testing different things and you're narrowing down on what works. So you do wanna make sure that you trim down the campaign, you optimize, and then scale. That way you have the exact targeting, the videos that are actually gonna convert the best. And then once you have that, you're gonna be able to scale. Unlike on Facebook, one of the biggest things that's different on YouTube versus Facebook is you can actually tell with your targeting, with your videos, down to the exact video, down to the exact keyword or ad you're running your video in front of. You can tell what's converting and what's not converting. So you can actually take what converts the best and then spend more money on that. So it's not just within a campaign, you can actually look inside the campaign and see all the different targeting. So if you're familiar with Facebook, you kind of have one campaign, you set up the targeting, maybe it's a lookalike, maybe it's an audience or interest, and if it's performing okay, there's not really much you can do. Versus on YouTube, if you have a campaign, you might be running in front of this keyword and this keyword and this keyword. It's like how to get sales, how to lose weight, how to build my business, whatever it happens to be that you're helping people with. And then if one keyword is performing better than the others, you can just remove the other keywords that aren't performing and essentially trim down the fat. It's like you're throwing these targeted darts at the bullseye and you're only scaling up what actually hits the bullseye on the dartboard. And then that's how you can efficiently scale your campaign. So that question, that was one of the earlier ones that we had submitted here, was what's that mindset when you're trying to scale your campaign specifically over $500 a day? Hope you found this video valuable, and if you want to learn how to use YouTube ads for your own business, go down below and we actually have our YouTube ads webinar where we show you exactly how this works. Now, if you've already seen the webinar and maybe you're interested in actually booking a strategy call for YouTube ads, you can of course click the link down below to schedule your strategy call with our team. One of our advisors will get on a 45-minute complimentary strategy call with you to walk you through your current marketing and how you can implement YouTube ads in order to scale your business. We want this to be one of the most valuable 45 minutes you spend on your business all year. Now, also, you saw a clip just now from our recent AMA, Ask Me Anything, right here in our YouTube Ads for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. So if you're not already a part of the group, go down below into the description of this video and join the Facebook group. That way you have an opportunity to ask your questions live the next time we do an AMA. We usually do 1 or 2 of these a month, so you're gonna wanna make sure to join the group in order to get notifications on when we are going to go live. Also, of course, if you love the content here on this YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon and subscribe so you get constant notifications whenever we come out with a new video. And we have a brand new omnipresent retargeting machine webinar on how to become omnipresent, retargeting your leads everywhere to get them to convert and become clients. If you're interested in that, I actually put a link down to that webinar in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.